Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, here is a new features that you need to explore right now with Gemini AI. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gemini AI app. Just like so. Having you open up your Gemini AI app, before you can explore the new features, you need to make sure you come to the top right here. So you need to come to the top right here, Gemini Flash. There are a lot of features in these sections right here. You have 3.1 flashlight, and then you have 3.5 flash, which is also new, and you have 3.1 Pro Advanced Math and Code. Then here, they just add a thinking level right here. So we can easily click on the thinking level right here. You have standard, best for most questions. You have extended, which is also for complex problem solve right here. So if I switch to standard right here, so let's see. So I'm going to switch to standard. Now, whatever question I'm asking right here is going to give me based on the standard. Now, I can simply say, can you please tell me best YouTube video title for the topic. Then I'm going to put a quote, Facebook as in 2026. So this is just a simple question that we want to solve with standard under thinking level. So I'm going to go ahead and hit on send. Let's find out what Gemini have to say about this. So you can see right here, Gemini is trying to generate some kind of response right here. So we have the response right here. So they were able to give me about 4 different types of title that I can use for Facebook ad strategy. The only Facebook ad strategy you need in 2026, the new way to run Facebook ad in 2026, full course, the Facebook ads tutorial for beginner update 2026, and as the case may be. Then from here, we can pick a particular title right here and continue to ask further questions based on this. So you can see then the here Gemini try as much as possible to break a lot of things down right here. So from the first option right here, which is ultimate guide right here, which is the best for high search volume. So if you use this particular one right here, you are going to come up more in a search engine in YouTube and Google, as the case may be. Then this is for algorithm. So if you are the kind that work a lot with understanding of algorithm, the best for high crucial CTR. So that is for algorithm. You can consider use any of this particular title right here. You can see the title are not the same. The algorithm title is not the same with the ultimate guide, okay, which is for high search volume. So the this is for the algorithm here, how to master Meta's new 2026 algorithm update. So the next one here, the fixing failures and angle, best for high emotion or frustration. Here, people that are so much confused about how this particular topics was. So if your meta has stopped working, do this right now. So you can imagine this is a kind of a call to action to fix a particular problem. This is for the third options right here. So here we can scroll down right here and check on the next option, scroll down, and then here we go. If you are satisfied with the result you have in right here, just give a thumbs up for Gemini AI, and then from here you can go ahead and proceed with your further question. Like for instance, I can decide to pick any of the topic right here. Let's say I try to pick the only right here, so I'm going to highlight and highlight it this way, and I'm going to click on copy, and I'm going to simply say, can you please write a YouTube video script for this topic right here, just like so. I'm going to put it in the quote and then paste the question topic right here, and then close the quote and hit on send. And then Gemini is going to work on it and give us a kind of step-by-step script on how we can go ahead and start a YouTube video for this particular topic right here. Just like what you see right here, the script has been fully arranged right here. Just have to scroll down and read details about the script right here and see how you can go ahead and get started with this kind of breakdown right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see the results. This depends on the kind of question you ask Gemini that will give you the kind of answer you have. Then you can, from here, ask continuous question based on the results right here. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tools and this particular new features as far as Gemini AI is concerned in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Gemini AI, consider to hit on that subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.